we are indicating. If there is intersection, we pass the intersection. Then if there is a major entrance and exit, no, we skip the signal until we pass.
Yes.
All right. Now we are approaching to a traffic light with a red light. Red light means what, Mandeep?
Stop.
Very good. Okay, so first we stop. Okay, we allow to turn if there is no cars coming from left.
Okay.
Right. So now it's a green light. We are turning right.
And there's no pedestrian crossing, so
No pedestrians crossing.
and I have to go in the first lane, in the right lane.
Yes,
first?
the
Okay.
closest lane to you. When you turn right, to right. When you turn left, to left lane. Okay. There is a difference between the right and left because there is a switching lane, and the test is very important because
Okay.
there is two different lanes in a multiple lanes intersection. The right lane is a driving lane. The left lane is a passing lane.
Yes.
Yeah. So again, when you stop at the red light, okay, make sure no pedestrians. If you cannot see, you don't have a clear view from the left. You have to move forward. Make a good decision. Be wise. All right, let's go right again.
Okay. So this light
Yeah.
changed.
Excellent. So we have a red light again, but we have a green arrow in advance.
Okay. Yeah, that's a different
Okay,
situation.
this is a different situation. So we also we're gonna explain that.
Okay.
Good. So when you turn right, Mandeep, there is two different ways to check your blind spot. Okay. So if you are turning right with no stopping,
Yes.
do the blind spot check like at 20 meters away from the intersection.
Okay.
Okay. But when you turn right and you have to stop, which is red light.
Like this.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Check your blind spot the last thing before you move.
Okay.
All right.
Because there could be somebody on my right
Exactly.
side.
Because the reason is for that you're busy with the cars coming from left, right?
Yes.
Could be taking 2, 3, 5 seconds. Okay. So the situation is changed in 5
Yes.
seconds, right? So always we check if we stop. Always we check the blind spot at the end. If we don't have to stop, like let's say green light, and you just slow down and go and turn, check the blind spot just 20 meters, 30 meters before, just in case there is a bicycle coming far ahead, you know.
Yes.
Good. So we're gonna keep going straight until I will give you the direction to go right, which is I believe not that light, the next one.
Okay. So the speed limit here, I did not see any signs, so that means 50 kilometers?
Yeah, so if you don't see, this is the Ontario, okay, by law. Go straight, next light, I want you to go right. Always when there is a turning lane, get it from the beginning.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I will explain something for the test, for in general driving, okay, about the speed. Okay, the speed is very important, okay. Good, so red light, first we stop, second we move, now green light, you just proceed.
Yes. And there's no pedestrians on this side.
Yep. Yeah, so the speed limit, no sign posted, it's a 50.
Yes.
Okay, when there is a sign posted, we just go with the speed limit. And a test 5 above, it's no big deal. This is special for a beginners. It's very hard to control. Okay, but if you go 10 more than speed limit, no, this isn't too much.
Yes.
Yeah, could be the examiner give a warning sometime if the driver doing really good and only for this mistake.
Okay.
But they're allowed to fill them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're allowed to fill. Again, the drive test is evaluation test.